Have you ever had that free moment where you finally sit on your couch, ready to do nothing? Relaxation is the name of the game. And then something happens. Your mind starts remembering the conversation you had 3 days ago, the laundry, grocery list, the email that needs to be sent, and on. And you ask yourself, why can't I just relax? If that sounds familiar, this video is for you. For the longest time, despite of meditating, doing yoga, running silence retreats, I felt restless, self-sabotaging my efforts, creating chaos throughout my day because I could not feel safe. Only when I learned how to bring safety into my nervous system, one moment at a time, that things start to change. Let's dive into these 4 points that can help you to cultivate safety and peace that you deserve. Today, we are going to explore why relaxation doesn't feel comfortable, why your body keeps searching for problems, and how to gently teach your nervous system that it's finally safe to rest. Let's dive in. Most of us think relaxing is a choice. I relax after dinner. I relax this weekend. I relax on vacation. And unfamiliar doesn't always feel safe. Imagine a smoke alarm. It's designed to protect you. What if it becomes too sensitive and every time you made toast, the alarm went off? That's what chronic stress can do. Your nervous system becomes excellent in detecting problems. Eventually, it starts creating them. Not because you're negative, but because your brain has learned that scanning for dangers keeps you alive. So even during peaceful moments, it keeps searching. So the moment everything becomes quiet, your body doesn't sigh with relief. Quite opposite, it becomes suspicious. Silence feels unfamiliar. Many women carry an invisible job description. Be responsible, be dependable, take care of everyone, don't fall apart. For years, this became your identity. Then, one evening, you finally have nothing to do. Instead of feeling peaceful, you feel restless because your nervous system whispers, shouldn't I have been taking care of something? You aren't addict to stress. You've become accustomed to it. There's a difference. Relaxation doesn't feel blissful at first. Sometimes it feels boring, uncomfortable, even a little scary. Because your body is entering territory it hasn't visited for years. That's okay. You don't have to force yourself into calm. You simply practice taking small baby steps. Practice needing small moments of safety. One slow breath, one sip of tea, 1 minute sitting outside, one moment where nothing needs fixing. Your nervous system learns through repetition, not perfection. Don't ignore those baby steps. They create momentum. If relaxing feels difficult, it doesn't mean you're doing it wrong. It may simply mean your body has spent years believing that staying alert was the safest way to move through the world. And here's the hopeful part. The same nervous system that learned to become vigilant can learn peace. One safe moment at a time. If this video resonated with you, subscribe. Every week, we explore the hidden patterns behind anxiety, emotional exhaustion, and nervous system healing. And if you've wondered why you wake up exhausted before the day even begins, watch this video next. I'll talk to you in the next video.